Hi, I'm Alex Wagstaff. I'm the Chief Information Officer here in Sydney Local Health District. So Sydney Local Health District is here in the centre of Sydney. We have 4 major facilities, being Royal Prince Alfred Hospital, Concord Hospital, Canterbury and Balmain. We provide a number of specialty services here and quite a diverse population that we service. Before we rolled out Florence, we found we had quite extensive waiting times in our outpatient waiting rooms. Our communication with our patients was also at times delayed because everything was over the phone, and that caused issues and delays for both our patients and our clinics. Florence here in Sydney LHD is really a patient portal for us to share information with our patients engaged in our outpatient clinics, enable patients to view their appointments and reschedule them if needed. It's been rolled out to over 20 specialties, which has equalled around 98 clinics across the facilities to date. The main capabilities that Florence provides for us is enabling patients to keep track of their appointments, send any queries that they may have directly to the clinics rather than waiting on the phone for the clinics to respond. And it also enables our clinics to send out any pre-appointment information that they need to gather before the patient comes to their appointments. Florence supports our vulnerable patients, in particular people who speak different languages or have any other vulnerabilities such as hearing issues. So people who normally would find it difficult to call and speak to someone over the phone now have that ability to actually communicate through the app and discuss anything with the clinics or reschedule their appointments. Some of the benefits we've seen since implementing Florence is for our patients, we've seen a decrease of wait times in our clinics. So they vary across the different clinics, but in some of our women's and babies clinics, we've actually seen a decrease in wait times from 30 minutes down to 7 minutes. So that's definitely increased our patient satisfaction. For our clinics, I'm really proud to be able to see the changes that they've made to their service provision. The clinics are running a lot smoother, our staff are happier, it's a much calmer environment. So when our patients are coming in, they're not in big lineups that go out the door, which just creates anxiety and frustration for our patients and our staff. The waiting rooms are running really smoothly. Patients are being seen much more on time. We've seen those decreases in not attending, and overall, the feedback from our staff is that they're just loving that, implementing Florence and the technology that's come with it has just enabled them to get on with their day-to-day and improve the services they're providing. Our experience of working with Five Faces started during the COVID pandemic, where we had to work in close partnership as a team with Digital Health and Five Faces and work in a very dynamic manner because of the changing environment we're in. So it was a very much hand-in-hand partnership between the two teams to continue ongoing and innovative developments.